Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Nothing Phone is one of the few brands that gained popularity within a short time. And so far the brand is focused on just one smartphone per year. However, over the past few weeks, different rumors have been flying around claiming the brand is working on a more affordable smartphone that may be named Nothing Phone 2A. So earlier a handset with a model number A142 alongside a new battery model appeared on the Bureau of Indian Standards website. While some rumors claim the upcoming handset will have a similar size 6.7 inches AMOLED display as the Nothing Phone 2. However, luckily now we have received some more insights and even a possible rear design of the handset. So starting with the design, as per a leakster, though it's not the final design, rather it shows the LED Glyph design, which is what the Nothing phones are known for, that just like the Nothing Phone 2, the upcoming handset will also have a LED Glyph on its back. However, the layout will be different than that of the Phone 2 or 1. The two camera sensors are placed in the center of the device accompanied by 3 LED strips. Now, in my opinion, the camera sensors in the center of the back panel and in a horizontal manner kind of feel weird. But of course, a final render will give us a better look at its design. Let me know what you think about this design in the comment section below. Next, on the performance side, like we have seen many other affordable phones with MediaTek chipsets, the Nothing Phone 2A is set to use a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset. Now, as for launch date, it will possibly unveil on the Mobile World Congress on February 27. And not to mention, the brand has already confirmed its participation in the event with the tagline "Nothing to see." The Nothing Phone 2 launched at a reasonable price, $599. So for the upcoming more affordable handset, we can surely expect a lower price. Anyway, most likely there will be more information to share soon. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.